Imagine the ground suddenly explodes not with fire, not with lava, but with an endless sea of boiling mud. In 2006, in Sidorio, East Java village after village sank. Homes, schools, mosques vanished as if swallowed by the earth itself. Thousands became refugees in their own homeland. Day after day, the mud kept flowing. Months turned into years, years into decades, yet the eruption never stopped. Scientists baffled, the government overwhelmed, the world in shock. How can a disaster last for nearly 2 decades without end? And here's the most chilling part. Even as you watch this now, the mud is still erupting, as if the earth refuses to close the wound it opened on its own. Is this merely a disaster? Or a warning that beneath our feet lies something far more powerful than mankind?